Hello guys, welcome back! In today's video I'm doing my nails for New Year's Eve. And that's what we start with. I removed my previous set and obviously prep my cuticles and reshape them. Cleaning with some cleaner. And now I will make like a little infill, and basically it's going to be my base for this new set using the Semilac Extend base in soft beige. And all ready to go, everything is already dry, and obviously I left the sticky layer for my set. Today we're going blue, and I choose one of the last Neonail collection, which is Midnight Match, and I choose the color Spark of Mystery, which is this beautiful sparkling glittery blue. I'm using my Semilac multi-tool, and with my brush I will start create some nail art. First, with my brush, I'm going to create the outlines that I'm going to fill up later, and also because I want to be careful to not touch the cuticles. This is a dark color, so you have to be really careful when you're using dark colors because they can stain your cuticles and it's going to be difficult to remove it later on. And then I'm going to take the brush of the product. I wasn't lucky because there is like a hair popping up there, and it was literally the first time I was like opening it. And I'm filling up basically the inside. And here you can see how actually this color is super sparkling. With the thin brush, again, I like to refine all the around. And I noticed with the first layer this color is pretty transparent, so I dry it in the lamp one time and then I reapply a second thin layer. I dry it in the lamp, and now I will seal this nail. I will go back to her later, but I need her to have my dry top coat on. Next nail is going to be fully blue, and here you can see how that color is transparent. It's really like an ink, but it's very pigmented. And I'm using the Semilac Nail Art Brush 0001. It's a very tiny little brush, and I'm helping myself basically to go around next to the cuticle and try to define these basic lines of this color. With the dark color like that is very easy to make a mess. And with just one layer it was not really easy to cover everything because this color is really transparent, and here I'm showing you how it looked like on a tester. You can see how that color actually is transparent. It's a transparent, very pigmented blue with glitters. It's really beautiful, but you need 2 layers for a fuller coverage. I'm doing the same things basically on the 4th nail. And after I dry it in the lamp, I apply a second layer on both of them. I seal them with top coat. And here I'm using some NTN Top Velour, which is a matte top coat. I will apply on the beige natural looking nails. And now using my dotting tool to create some nail art, and I will make some very dark snowflakes. And now I'm taking the thinnest brush I have. This is a 01 of Silcare, and I dragging out basically my dots from the inside out to create my snowflake line. I reinforcing my dots because this color is very transparent. I don't really feel that it's meant for nail art, but actually in this video I'm showing you that you can create nail art with everything. You just have to be maybe softer a little bit more. Cleaning with cleaner what went on my skin, and then dry it in the lamp. I dried in the lamp and I went to the next nail where I basically recreated the same. After I dry it in the lamp, I take some cleaner and I clean in the sticky layer on both of these nails, and you will see on your pad a little bit of the color, but I guarantee you that will not leave. I show you here that it's not gonna peel, nothing will happen, your nail art will stay anyways. It doesn't need to apply extra top coat. And here there are some crystals that I purchased on manybeauty.pl. I got this like light blue and dark blue, and are great because they have like all the sizes, which is amazing. And to glue my crystals, I will use the nail glue gel of the brand Lulu and pick it up with some dotting tool. Not too much, but also not too little, because that crystal has to stay. And picking up and applying the stones with my stone picker. And now I can dry it in the lamp. Now I pick in basically some of the sizes that I feel I will need it. It's very hard like that when it's in the package, so I have to move it in a smaller containers where it's going to be easy basically to pick up my stones. Now I'm using this Neonail soft file. I like to call it soft file because actually it's pretty abrasive, but it's very soft. And filing just in the places where I want to apply my crystals. Clean with cleaner. Again with the glue, gel glue of the brand Lulu, with the dotting tool I apply some glue, and it's going to be just in the center. I will draw a line with the glue on where I want to apply the stones, and here is easy because I have already this line drawn with the color. Now we start applying my crystals with my dotting tool. I will apply the bigger crystals in the middle and going to escalate to make them smaller the more I'm basically going out. And when I'm done, I can dry it in the lamp. Now I'm going to this nail here, and I'm basically doing the same, filing where I think I will put the stones, cleaning with cleaner. Now I'm going to apply the glue in the same way as the other one, but I start notice that this nail is a little bit not well shaped, so I think it was that moment when I realized that something was not right with this nail. But anyways, too late to go back. I just start creating my invisible line, let's say, with glue, and I want it to be curvy like in the first nail, but I didn't have actually the color line there, so it was a little bit trickier than I thought. I apply the stones in this pretty much the same way I did in the first one, the bigger inside, the smaller outside. When I'm done, I will dry it in the lamp, and now I will apply again top coat. Applying the top coat, I using this method, which is basically going all around my stones, being very careful to not touch the top of the stone, because if I touch the top of the stones, I will lose the shininess and the light reflective properties, let's say, of the stones. So I have to be really careful, and I'm just basically going around and filling up, let's say, the spaces that were left from the glue. And for now, at the moment, is one of the, for me, is one of the best methods to keep your stones completely attached to the next set. And now with some cleaner, I clean my stones to remove the wax excess eventually that is from my stone picker. Applying cuticle oil. Removing the excess of the cuticle oil because we want to take pictures. Applying some hand lotion because it's very important. My hands are falling apart this winter, are super dry. And here is my New Year's Eve set. I'm not really happy with my fourth finger, the ring finger, because she's a little bit out of shape and I didn't apply the stones the way I want it to be. I love absolutely the snowflakes, the dark snowflakes are gorgeous, and the blue color of the Neonail is absolutely gorgeous and a beautiful winter color. I hope you enjoyed this video, I inspired you or you learned from my mistakes. Give to this video a like if you like it, subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet and you like my content, and thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next year.